Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. First let's start the workout quickly, so let's wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the workout menu, find the workout we want to run, tap on it, tap on go to start it. As you can see, we have the workout going now, and let's say you want to pause it. You can pause it in two ways. The first way is to do it by swiping right on the screen, then tapping on the pause button, and the workout will be paused. And if you want to unpause it, you just swipe right again, tap on resume to resume it. Another way to pause the workout is to press the lower button. It will pause the workout, and to unpause it you can press the lower button again. And that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Now let me stop it. Okay. And that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.